Let's move on to the chapter Recognizing Errors, Avoiding Claims. You should not use Meldorfer flat-facing bricks in direct sunlight. The facade may need to be shaded, or you should move to the shady side of the building. Beware of night frost. Excessive humidity delays drying. Do not work in the border zone. The optimum temperature for laying Meldorfer flat-facing bricks is between 5 and 30 degrees, during processing and also during the entire drying phase. In principle, these are the same weather conditions as when plastering a facade. I already said between 5 and 30 degrees. Do not apply too much bonding mortar. If you apply too much, it will dry and it will not longer be possible to work in a correct way. Bonding mortar has an open time of 20 minutes. You should only apply bonding mortar to the surface that you can immediately cover with the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks, and also paint the joints. Work in small sections. Avoid cavities, especially in the corner areas and the flat-facing brick areas. Water can rinse in through these cavities, resulting in a damaged facade. Ensure the correct application of the original Meldorfer by pushing movements. It should be 100% in the adhesive. As you can see here, the teeth should no longer be visible behind the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks. Enough bonding mortar must be used, and the facing bricks must be embedded in the bonding mortar with pushing movements. This is all achieved with the right toothed trowel, 6 to 4 mm teeth. The joint painting must be carried out in such a way that open joints are avoided, as these lead to water penetration. Our tooth trowel is to be used here. Sufficient amount of adhesive is to be applied in the joint area. And the material can be worked onto the edges of the Meldorfer flat-facing brick and onto the facade with a brush, which should be damp and not wet. It should not be brushed out with a lot of water.